Hello everyone, in this quick Power BI tutorial, I'll show you how to add a reference line to your charts. First, drag a line chart to the canvas, and now I'm adding the sum of sales to the y-axis and date to the x-axis, keeping it organized by year and month. Now to add a reference line, go to the format pane, and in the bottom when you scroll you'll see the reference line here, and then click on the plus add line. Now you can choose the type of reference line that you want. There are various options here which are minimum line, maximum line, average line, median line and percentile line. You can also add a constant line to it. Here I'm giving it a manual value of 5000, and you can also add a measure into it with the condition that you desire and can highlight with the way you want it. The use cases for this are mentioned here, which are performance benchmarking, where you can analyze the data and want to show the sales target or any of the target for the quarter or according to the year that you want. You can have the trend analysis over the period of time. You can also track the goals progress against a strategic idea, and you can also have a threshold alerts which can be monitored over the critical values. And thank you so much for watching the video, and happy reporting.